How to use Allianz Life Insurance Finland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Life Insurance Finland can provide vital financial protection for you and your family, but many people make costly mistakes without even realizing it. Most policyholders get this wrong, and here's why. Understanding your coverage is essential. The first common mistake is choosing the wrong type of policy. Allianz offers term life insurance for specific periods and whole life insurance with lifelong coverage and potential cash value growth. Picking the wrong option can either leave your family underprotected or result in unnecessarily high premiums. Another frequent error is underestimating coverage needs. Your policy should cover your mortgage, personal debts, everyday living expenses, and future commitments like children's education or retirement. Failing to calculate these correctly may leave your loved ones in financial difficulty if the unexpected happens. Neglecting beneficiary updates is surprisingly common. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or having children mean your policy should reflect the current situation. Ignoring this step can delay payouts or create disputes about who receives the insurance benefits. Optional riders are another area where mistakes happen. Allianz offers riders like critical illness coverage, disability benefits, and accident protection. These add-ons can make a big difference by providing financial support during unexpected events beyond basic life insurance. Finally, many policyholders don't fully understand the cash value and loan features in permanent policies. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you know how your premiums accumulate, the growth potential, and any tax implications. To use Allianz Life Insurance Finland effectively, choose the right policy type, maintain adequate coverage, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and review your policy consistently. Doing this ensures your insurance works exactly as intended, giving peace of mind and real security for your family.